The goal is to have all new boats sold delivered with the BoatBot app. In order to load the specific boat data for the new boat owner, let's go back to the My Boat section. Let's click on the hamburger menu at the top right. First of all, you have Boat Manager. This is where you will add the new boats you have for sale, and you can add a new boat simply by clicking on Add Boat. Fill in the details and then click Continue. Back on the menu, the next item is Boat Documents. On the Boat Documents, you have the option of adding various documents to boats that you have added. When you click on the icon next to the boat name, you can select the document type. Let's say vessel registration. You can either click on the camera icon to take a photo of the document, or you can click the icon next to it in order to select the kind of document from your library. After you have added a document, you can either view it or email it to someone directly whenever you need to. Back on the main menu again, you will see Boat Transfer at the bottom. This is where you will go once the sale is complete and you are ready to transfer this boat in BoatBot to the new boat owner upon the sale. On the boat transfer, we have the option of transferring this particular boat with all the information that comes with it to a new owner. Let's go back to an option called Boat Facts. Boat Facts is a section that includes all the information regarding the service and maintenance on your boat. This particular boat may have inspection records, it may have recommended services, and also service history records. For instance, this particular boat has 8 completed service requests, and therefore you can see all the services that have been performed on this boat. At any time, you can see how much has been spent on this boat in terms of repairs and also other works that have been done on it. When this boat is transferred back in the boat transfer menu, all of these records go alongside the boat to the new owner. All you have to do is come to the boat transfer page, select the boat you want to transfer, click on Begin Transfer, select the owner you want to transfer this boat to by entering their name and their email, add a phone number, and then click Confirm. This transaction is final, so please verify all information before hitting the transfer button. You need to know that when this is confirmed, there is no way of recovering the boat. That is it. The boat has now been transferred to your new owner, and it should no longer be in your list of boats. The new owner will now receive an email with the link to download BoatBot in the Apple or Google Store, and once signed in, will have access to all information regarding their new boat. They'll also have access to Captain AI, electronic service requests, proactive maintenance reminders, and all of the other benefits BoatBot has to offer, ensuring a smooth transition and confidence in ownership.